Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Tom and Anna's blogging Fastlane product, okay? And you're wondering, can you make money from creating a blog, okay? And how does this actually work? How does this course work? Let's talk about the price points, the modules, the training, and whether this is a good way for you to start generating some income 100% online, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below, and I'll send you that training straight to your email if you want to check that out, okay? Now, I reviewed hundreds of different products online, make money online, websites, surveys, videos, games, all sorts of different business models to help you to earn income on the internet. And some of them are great, but some of them are a little bit of a waste of time and they don't really earn you that much money, okay? So let's take a look at Blogging Fastlane to see how this stacks up against some of the other products out there. All right, so first of all, what is Blogging Fastlane all about? Okay, now Blogging Fastlane is all about teaching you to create a blog on WordPress in any niche that you want, and then ranking it on Google on different articles so that when somebody does a Google search, they're going to find your articles, they're going to read your articles, and then you're going to make money through selling affiliate marketing products and also through display ads through the Google AdSense network, okay? That's essentially what Blogging Fastlane is all about. Now, Tom and Anna are very successful. They are worldwide travelers and they have created a blog called Adventure in You. This is their blog right here, okay? So they're going to show you how basically they were able to do this. How were they able to pick a niche? You don't have to do the travel niche. You can build any niche that you want. They're going to teach you how to do that. And then how do you build all this out? How do you create all the content around it, right? How do you write articles like this? And how do you get these ranked on Google so that Google will find them and then display this to people so that they can click on it, read it, and then in these articles, for example, they will have recommendations to different affiliate programs. People will click on the on the little links, they'll buy, you generate a commission, okay? For example, snorkel gear. Okay, I'm just gonna go to snorkel gear, for example. They probably have a whole bunch of affiliate links there, and that's one way of generating commissions and income for your blog. But another way is also all these ads. Can you see all these little ads that are popping up right here? These are display ads, okay? And this is the Google Display Network on the bottom, on the side here. And they will basically, the more ads that you display, the more people land on your blog, the more money that you make. All right, so editors picks for best snorkeling gear. When somebody clicks on this, this is their Amazon link. When somebody buys from their Amazon link, then they make a commission. That's what they're going to be showing you how to do, right? So a great way to make money on the internet. We'll talk about the pros and cons of that in a minute, but that's essentially what they're going to teach you how to do, okay? Now let's talk a little bit about the program. All right, so obviously Tom and Anna are very successful. I mean, you can see the blog. It's such a nice blog, great website. They've been doing this for a while. It's very extensive. I mean, if you come to the travel guide section, just on Asia alone, look at all the countries that they've been to. Think of how much content they've created on this website, right? Africa, only 2 countries, but look at, Europe, North America, Mexico, Costa Rica, South America, Oceania. I mean, they've done a lot of the world, right? So ton of content that's going into this, and that's what they're going to show you how to do. Now, if you decide to go down this path, they've got a webinar here where you would basically log into the free training, okay, and then check out what they have to offer. And if you decide to buy it, this is exactly what you're going to get. First of all, it's a $697 one-time fee course. Not expensive, okay? Somewhere in the middle. It's not super cheap, not super expensive, but it's very, very decently priced for what it is. $697, just under 700 bucks, right? If you can't afford that, they have a 4-month pay plan, $199 over 4 months. You pay a little bit more than $700. So it's a slightly more expensive option, but it allows people that are strapped for cash to be able to get into it for a 4-month pay plan. Not bad. They have one upsell, which is a bundle. Pitch Like a Pro, it's $297. It's 100% optional, okay? You can grab it if you want. You don't have to. It's not really going to affect your ability to basically build what they've built right here with Adventure in You, okay? Now, what is it going to contain? 4 very big modules, 30 plus hours of training, video training from Tom and Anna, very, very detailed. And this is what they cover. They cover mindset on how to think like an entrepreneur, how to think about going about your blogging business, because that's very important. A lot of people quit before they start making money. They talk a lot about affiliate marketing. How does it work? Because building a blog like this is really about how do you monetize the blog. One thing is building it and getting people to find it, But the next thing is, how do you make money from it? So they spend a lot of time talking about affiliate marketing. How do you sell, different affiliate products? Like I just showed you, like here, like right here. This is all affiliate marketing right here, right? Affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry. So Amazon's a very big affiliate marketing network. You click on this, it goes to Amazon. Somebody buys, you make a commission. That's all affiliate marketing is, right? They also teach you all about display ads. You can see the display ads on the bottom. How do you make money from Google AdSense, which is display ads as well, right? The more people that land on this, the more money you make, okay? Things like that. And then they talk about SEO, which is very important, okay? How do you rank your blog, right? If somebody lands on this page, okay, or if they create an article like this one right here, how does somebody find this article? How does someone find the Southeast Asia packing list, ultimate guide on what to bring, right? How does somebody actually find that article? So they talk about how do you do all the on-page SEO so that Google can crawl your website. How do you do all the off-page SEO so that you can drive backlinks and increase the rankings of every single article, things like that, okay? So all the SEO is there. They've got a vault of a lot of extra bonuses, like how do you build out your website, WordPress, all the tech stuff, so that you can learn how to build this all out. So really, really good stuff. They also have a Facebook community. They've got live Q&A. So really decent all-in-one package, very step-by-step training to teach you how to do this, okay? They have a refund policy as well. It's 30 days. Oh, sorry, it's 90 days. Sorry, it's a very long refund policy, 90 days, but it's action-based. And the action list is quite long, all right? So that means that, yes, they have a 90-day refund policy, but you essentially have to do everything in order for you to claim that refund. That means you have to finish all the videos, you have to finish the course, you have to build out your blog. There's a lot of stuff. There's a whole checklist of it, and I think that most people are going to struggle to hit that checklist, but essentially what they're saying is, look, if you do everything in our program, Blogging Fastlane, you go through all the videos, you join our live calls, you build out your blog, and there's a whole long checklist that you have to hit, right? But if you do everything they say and you're still not making money from the strategy, they will refund you within 90 days, okay? Now, it's a pretty tricky list because it's very long, but I understand why they do that, because look, I mean, if you're going to invest in a program and you're not going to go through the program, you don't really deserve a refund, to be honest, right? Because look, if you're here to make money, then make sure you do your research and then get into the program and actually do the work. If you're not willing to do the work, don't get into the program. It's as simple as that, right? So if you want to make money through blogging, and you're going to invest in the program, please make sure you do the work. And they're saying, look, if you do all the work, you do everything we say, and you're still not making money, then we'll refund you within 90 days, no problem, right? I think that's a great refund. Some people might not like that refund, action-based policy, but I think that's a good way of giving a refund, because if you're not going to do the work, don't get into the program, right? Simple as that. So that's pretty much Blogging Fastlane in a nutshell, okay? So pros and cons. Let me kind of wrap this up, right? What do I think of the program? As a blogging program, teaching you how to build basically an authority blog. That's basically what this is about, right? Adventure in You is an authority travel blog. People come here to find out about travel stuff, and they're going to teach you how to do that in any niche that you want, right? As a blogging program, I think it's very good, okay? In the sense that it's not expensive, it's not super cheap, it's somewhere in the middle, right? Great community, great support. Right, they're in there answering questions every single day for their members, all right? 30 hours of training, very detailed. They cover very detailed on how to build everything out, the tech stuff, along with the mindset, how to make money from this, how to monetize through affiliate marketing and display ads, and all the tech stuff, which is SEO, and how you actually get all your stuff ranked on Google, okay? Also, they've got a decent, I think, refund policy. It's very long, although you got to do everything in order for you to actually get that refund. All right, that's the only thing that might be a little bit tricky, okay? Now, what are the cons of this program? Now, this has nothing to do with Tom or Anna's program. I think as an authority blog program, it's very good. But what you have to understand is if you're an absolute beginner and you've never made money online before and you've never done blogging before, please understand that blogging is a very, very complex and long-term strategy. Okay, again, this has nothing to do with Tom and Anna's program. It's the strategy, all right? Anytime you want to build a blog online, it's going to take you a long time. Don't expect to make any money for at least 1 year, okay? This is a 1 to 2 year thing. I know that sounds crazy, but that's how blogging works, all right? Building a website online and trying to rank on Google to become an authority website like these guys have done. I mean, they've put in many years of work and lots of hours, hundreds and hundreds of hours into building this thing, which is why they generate $30,000 a month, right? Now you can do this, and it's good to build a blog if you have the time to, but please understand that this is not a fast strategy, right? Because Google has to rank your blog on Google. That takes time. Think about how many hundreds of millions of websites there are online, right? Google has to crawl all these websites, okay? So it takes time for your articles to rank. And if you don't rank in the top, 1 to 3 positions, people aren't gonna find your articles, okay? So even though Tom and Anna do a very good job of teaching you how to do that, you have to understand that this is the beast that you're going to be dealing with. Blogging is hard. It is not an easy strategy, okay? And the thing is that initially, you're going to make very, very little money if you even make any money at all. If you look at a lot of their student testimonials, you'll see that a lot of them are making, $1,000 to $2,000 a month. That's actually very little money for internet marketing. It doesn't mean that you can't get to the big money like they have. Obviously, these guys have done very well, but please understand that this strategy takes a long time. So be prepared to spend at least 1 to 3 years on this particular project. Okay, that's just the way it works, all right? And you have to be willing to create a ton of content. I mean, if you actually, I would recommend that you look through Adventure in You, okay? Go through this blog. You'll see how extensive it is, and this is what you will need to basically build eventually. You don't have to start with doing this, but please understand that blogging is a lot of work. It's like pushing a boulder up a mountain. It's a great strategy if you've got the stomach for it, right? And it's great because Tom and Anna have an asset that will never get taken away. They will always have this. They own this. It's on Google. It's online, and they make a ton of money from it. This is an asset that will pay them for life. But in order to get to this level, it's going to take you a long, long time, right? This is a labor of love. Please understand that. That's just the way blogging is, okay? That's just the industry, right? So remember, I mean, if you just go through this, look at how much content they've created, and this is why this blog does so well. It's because it's so robust. And they've done all the SEO and all that stuff, it's being ranked really well, and it just takes a long time to do that. And that's okay. You just have to understand that this is the game if you decide to go down the blogging route. That's all. Okay? So that's my review of Blogging Fastlane, okay? It's not really a fast lane, unfortunately. They call it the fast lane, but it's not. Blogging is slow. And that's just the reality of the situation. So you can check it out at bloggingfastlane.com if you would like. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make money on the internet. You don't know how, you're in research mode, you're trying to figure out how to do it. Look, there are so many ways to make money online these days, tons of business models, right? Drop shipping, Amazon FBA, blogging, niche building websites, affiliate marketing, and multi-level marketing. There's so many ways to make money online these days, right? But a lot of them are pretty difficult, to be honest. And a lot of them require a lot of time and are very technical, just like blogging is. It's a great business model, but it's very technical and it's very slow, okay? Are there easier ways to get there? Now, I've been marketing online for over 14 years, and till today, I still have one favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, 100% from home. And I still think that this is the cheapest and quickest way and the most straightforward way to get to that kind of income. If you want to check that out, click the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you want to check it out. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Blogging Fastlane. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you in another product review. Take care.